Hey folks, this is Mike Bissett at Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. First of all, I want to talk about our dealership. We're a full destination dealership. We've got service 7 days a week. We've got an RV park right over here with 55 places. We've got a restaurant, and it's just a great place to work and to come look at motorhomes. What I have here is an Allegro Tiffin 2015 35Q Bunkhouse. That's a great family coach, and Tiffin's got a good story. They've got a lifetime warranty on it. They're built in Red Bay, Alabama, and just a great coach. You can see it's got full body paint, and the neat thing about this is the bunks for the kids. If you guys want to get out and go camping, this is a great coach. So we'll just walk around here and take a peek. Got two slide outs on this side. Your bunks actually slide out here. Big automatic awning up top, because this is always going to be your patio side. And then the kids will have windows right here. This is actually where bunk number 1 and number 2 is. You've got lots of storage underneath here. These are side swinging bay doors. So what I like to do is when I get to my camp is not put the slide outs out, but get all your stuff out, set up your camp, and then put the slide outs out. Schwintek slide outs, they use those on $800,000 motorhomes, so it's a great slide out system. Got an entertainment system in here, so that'll have your TV, and this is always going to be your patio side, so it's really nice to have that out here. So guys, as you can see, it's a really roomy coach. Over here you've got your HWH 4-point jack system, so automatic leveling is nice. Both these cockpit seats will turn around so you can incorporate it in your living area. You're probably going to have a lot of people in this coach, so it's nice to have that where everybody has a place to sit. You can look at the cabinetry, it's really nice. It's cherry wood. They got European style hidden hinges. It's very well done. Over here, seat belts for your couch. This will fold out into a bed. Over here, your stressless type chair with an ottoman. And then coming into your galley, you've got a microwave convection oven. Convection ovens work really good. A lot of high-end restaurants use them. It cooks with hot swirling air in addition to your microwave. Plus a propane oven over here. Hard surface countertops, which is really nice, and a 3-burner stove. Now this is a pre-owned coach, but it looks like it's hardly ever been used there. And hardly ever been used there. And then sink covers here, residential style faucet, 2 sinks. A lot of people like that there's no carpet in here. The nice thing about that is you could put throw rugs down. If you're a blue person, put a blue rug down, etc. Entertainment center here with a fireplace. Now this works like a cadet heater, so if you're on your generator or you're plugged into shore power, this will provide heat to heat this whole area with hot air that blows out. Going back here, refrigerator here, pocket doors. What this does, if you want to get away from the kids, this will close up off here to close up the master bedroom. But over here is really nice. Each kid gets its own bed, and then also an entertainment system here that drops down. And for the other kid down here, it drops down also. Right across, we've got the bathroom, and I'll just let you take a peek in there. And then back into the master bedroom. 2 slide outs here. Well, this is also in the bunk, but it comes out with your wardrobe area. TV here, swings around, so you can watch TV here. Ceiling fan's really nice, gets the circulation going. And then also you have ducted air conditioning, so you can regulate where your air dumps down. There's channels that run down the ceiling. This is a great coach, you guys. My name is Mike Bissett at Guarantee RV. If you have any more questions, give me a call. Have a great day.